was sick.
I'm a sick kid.
Caitlin just farted and it smells bad.
I made it look like the dog was
Dude, there's no shadow on the camera. On the phone. You know what though? Turn your face straight.
What?
Looks like
Holy cow, my phone's flipping out again, what?
It looks like I'm hitting you in the head.
You just did.
Sorry. T-A-I. Guess what? This is Big Bunny Fufu. Big Bunny Fufu's gonna... Look, it's Violet.
Oh, wait, it's Violet, and what's the other one? Oh, wait, no, Oliver.
Oliver and Floppy.
Floppy. Oh, give it to me. Yeah. That'd be a horrible bunny. Oh, my ears are flopping. Oh, man.
Dude, we gotta get that on video. We gotta get them doing that on video. We should go try to make them.
Like, set them on top of one of each